Wentzville, Missouri is becoming an economic powerhouse thanks to its strategic location and rapid industrial growth. If you're curious about which sectors are driving this prosperity, this episode has you covered. Let's start with automotive manufacturing. The General Motors Wentzville assembly plant is a major player here, providing thousands of jobs and boosting the local economy by supporting related industries. Next, there's retail and commerce. Wentzville's population growth and proximity to major highways make it a retail hotspot. The Wentzville Crossroads Marketplace is a key retail center, creating jobs and serving the community's needs. Health services are also on the rise, with facilities like SSM Health St. Joseph Hospital Wentzville expanding to meet the needs of the growing population. This sector not only offers essential health services, but is also a significant employer. Education is another vital industry, with the Wentzville School District educating thousands of students and providing substantial employment opportunities. They're shaping future generations while supporting the local economy. Lastly, logistics and distribution are thriving due to Wentzville's geographical advantages. The U.S. Postal Service Distribution Center is a crucial hub, streamlining mail and package distribution and providing numerous jobs. These industries face many IT challenges, which is why we're here to help. Our managed IT services ensure businesses can focus on growth without worrying about IT issues. From securing sensitive medical data to supporting automotive manufacturing's complex IT demands, we offer solutions that enhance efficiency and drive success. To learn more about how these industries are shaping Wentzville's economy and how we support them, read the full article on our website. And don't forget, you can also add this to your Spotify playlist for easy access.